the alarm? I'm so sleepy. Just 5 more minutes, please. Just 5 more. Okay, fine. Time to get up. Gotta brush. Gotta look my best today. It's my day off, so I finally decided to head to the theme park and just relax. But first, a power breakfast. A little spray of oil. Toss in the potatoes, crack the eggs, and add some fresh green onions. Flip it over. Add the ketchup and spread it out. Add some fresh greens. Roll it up. It looks absolutely delicious. Wait! I'm getting so hungry just looking at this. Whoa! Steady there! I'm gonna fall! Stay steady! Alright, that's done! What is this feeling? Destruction mode, activate! Oh, it's so crowded today! I can barely move! Finally here! There are so many people! They're screaming so loud though! I honestly don't get what's so scary about this ride! Here we go! Oh my god! I can't take it anymore! It's way too fast! Make it stop! It's just too fast! I'm so tired now! I really gotta take a break. That ride over there actually looks fun. I'll go check it out later. Today, we must decide who the real winner is. Let's go! Why are people so selfish? Ha ha ha! This is so fun! Feel that G-force! No, it's too fast! Oh, it's way too fast! I can't handle this! Everything is turning salty. Time to dry off. Lakeside, take off, lift off. Wait, is this a kid's seat? I'm a grown cat. Whoa, I'm getting so dizzy. Everything is spinning around me. That's enough for today. I'm totally done. Time to head home. Meow, finally home. I had so much fun today. Honestly, I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. Now, it's finally time to sleep. My bed is calling. Best day ever. Good night. See you next time.